Having perfect cinematography, good lighting, good location, set design, good costume without having good sound equals a bad video.
Is that true? I don't know. Yeah.
That's how important sound is to your video. But a lot of the times, the equipments required to capture high quality sound are kind of very, very expensive. And the cheaper ones that are accessible, some of the times they actually have these extra baggages that they come with. Now, there is a way you can enhance your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro without having to go through the stress of editing it in Audition, especially if you do not have knowledge, sound editing or recording knowledge. You're not a sound engineer. You can actually do some touch-up in Adobe Premiere Pro that will enhance your video. Simple clicks and you're good to go. And that's what I'm about to show you. But before we go into it, please help the channel by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. All right? Please do that quickly. To get the result I'm about to show you would only take just 2 steps. So on my timeline right now, I have this video here laid on my timeline, and then I have the video. This is what the audio sounds like.
Wait, I didn't even introduce myself very well. I am Chief Chike Opina Ibukwe, a politician. I'm trying to...
Doesn't sound too bad, right? Yeah, but it can be worked on. It can be a lot better. Of course, to drop some of the frequencies and, of course, increase the treble a bit so that his voice can be a lot lighter and, you know, a lot sharper and smoother, right? Now, to get this done is very easy. All you need to do is go to your effects and type, and by the way, I'm using the audio workspace. That's why my interface is displayed like this, okay? So you just go to your effects, type in hard limiter, and then you drag it onto the audio. When you drag it to the audio, you go to your effects control. You see the edit and remap here under the hard limiter. You click on the edit. Under the edit, you come down here, click, and go down to limit to -3 decibels. You click it, and then you close this. Now, after that, you come back to your effects, and this time around, you type parametric equalizer, and then you drag it to the audio. Then you come to edit under parametric equalizer, under control settings, and then come up here and select vocal enhancer. And by the time you play your audio, it sounds a lot better.
I'm trying to come out for election next year. I want you people
now you can hear that it is sounding a lot clearer, a lot more crisp. The treble is better, and the overall audio is a lot better. Now, this is not a one-click fix-all kind of editing of audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this works when you already have originally good audio and you just want to enhance it a little bit without having to go through the stress of, you know, going into Adobe Audition to do extra professional work. And especially if you're not even a professional sound mixer or whatnot, this is a quick fix that gets your audio sounding very, very good. But if your audio is not originally good and you're trying to use this to fix the, quote, badness of your audio, you are on a long thing. So follow these steps, level up the quality of your audio for your interviews and short form content or whatnot, and enjoy yourself. No stress at all. See, easy peasy. Your audio sounds a lot better just by these simple clicks. If you've gained any value from this content, please do not hesitate to share with your friends, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified when I drop more videos like this. Now, until the next video, don't forget to continue to learn, create, until you become.